Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your G37. First, ensure your G37's ignition is on and the vehicle is safely in park. Next, grab your mobile device and confirm that its Bluetooth is enabled and set to discoverable mode. Then, navigate to the settings menu on your G37's infotainment system. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, setting the stage for hands-free convenience. Once you are in the G37's settings menu, locate and select the Bluetooth option. From there, you will typically find an option to add new device or pair device. Choose this to begin the search. Your G37 will then actively scan the surrounding area for available Bluetooth devices, including your mobile phone. This step is where your vehicle starts looking for a connection, so ensure your phone is ready to be found. After your G37 has completed its scan, a list of available devices will appear on the screen. Carefully locate and select your mobile device's name from this list. Once selected, both your G37 and your mobile device should display a unique pairing code. It is very important to verify that these codes match on both screens before proceeding. This confirmation ensures you are connecting to the correct device and maintains security. With the pairing codes confirmed, you will then need to accept the pairing request on your mobile device. Your G37 will provide an audible and visual confirmation once the connection is successfully established. Congratulations! Your mobile device is now wirelessly connected to your G37. You can now enjoy seamless audio streaming, make and receive hands-free phone calls, and access other Bluetooth-enabled features, enhancing your driving experience with convenience and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.